How to reset your forgotten password on OANDA. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and we are learning how to reset your forgotten OANDA password while logging in. First of all, open the OANDA application on your smartphone and you'll be taken to the sign-in area if you follow the instructions. Now, in the sign-in page, you'll be asked to enter your email and password. For example, you've forgotten your password and you don't know what to do next. Then in that case, all you need to do is to tap the Forgot Password link underneath the password box. Now enter your email address for your OANDA account on the next page. Once done typing down your email, click Continue. You'll receive a password reset instruction via email. Go open up the same email that you registered OANDA with. Inside your email inbox, you'll receive an email from OANDA. Click it open and click on the Reset Password button that appears. Now select any web browser to continue. Now you'll arrive in this next page where you need to enter your new password you want to reset to. This time, make sure to type in the password you will not forget next time. Now enter the password once again in the next field. Make sure that your password contains these criteria. Finally, after entering your password in both of the boxes, tap on Reset Password. Now your password has been changed successfully. Tap on Back to sign in and log in, entering your email and the newly updated password. And with this, you'll be able to log into your OANDA account. So there you have it. That is how super easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.